Micro-profit projects built around small-scale, upcycled decor represent one of the most practical and empowering pathways into creative entrepreneurship today, especially in a market that increasingly values sustainability, originality, and handmade character. At its core, this approach begins with a shift in mindset. Instead of seeing discarded industrial components, offcuts of wood, or leftover metal as insignificant remnants, they are viewed as concentrated opportunities. These materials already carry texture, patina, and story, which means much of the design work has been done by time and use. Identifying strong micro-profit projects starts by observing what people buy quickly rather than what they admire from a distance. Small decor items that fit easily into modern homes, require minimal commitment from buyers, and offer instant visual impact tend to sell faster than large statement pieces. Because they are compact, they also reduce risk, require less material, and can be produced repeatedly without burnout. This makes them ideal for turning salvaged items into consistent income streams rather than one-off artistic experiments. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. So we invite you to relax, watch till the end, and enjoy the process as it unfolds and get inspired. The transformation process for quick-selling upcycled decor relies on efficiency without sacrificing soul. Successful micro-profit creators learn to design with constraints, allowing the size, shape, and quantity of salvaged materials to guide the final form. A short strip of weathered wood suggests a wall accent or shelf detail. A discarded metal bracket hints at a hook, a stand, or a sculptural support. A worn industrial component may become a minimalist desk ornament or functional accent. Rather than forcing materials into complex builds, the goal is to reveal their inherent appeal through simple, intentional interventions. This approach drastically reduces production time while preserving authenticity, which buyers instinctively respond to. Each piece feels purposeful and refined, even though it may have taken only a short time to create. And that balance between effort and outcome is what fuels micro-profit success. Efficiency in crafting is not about rushing, but about removing unnecessary steps. Small-scale upcycled decor benefits from repeatable processes that still allow for variation. By working within a loose design language rather than fixed measurements, makers can adapt quickly to whatever materials are on hand. Sanding just enough to make surfaces pleasant to touch, sealing rather than overfinishing, and embracing irregularities instead of correcting them all contribute to faster turnaround times. The imperfections become features, not flaws, and this honesty is precisely what differentiates upcycled decor from mass-produced alternatives. Buyers looking for handmade pieces often value these subtle differences because they signal uniqueness and care rather than factory precision. The appeal of micro-profit projects also lies in their accessibility to customers. Smaller upcycled decor items tend to fall into price ranges that encourage impulse purchases, making them ideal for quick sales at markets, online platforms, or local shops. Because the materials are salvaged, the cost base remains low, allowing for healthy margins even at modest prices. This creates a rare combination of affordability for buyers and sustainability for makers. Each sale reinforces the idea that eco-conscious choices do not require compromise in style or quality, and over time, this builds trust and repeat business. Customers who purchase a small piece often return for more, drawn by the story, texture, and philosophy behind the work. Identifying which micro-profit projects work best also involves understanding context and lifestyle trends. Modern living spaces favor versatile, compact decor that can adapt to apartments, workspaces, and multifunctional rooms. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Upcycled items that serve a clear purpose while remaining visually interesting tend to outperform purely decorative objects. Function gives justification for purchase, while design provides emotional resonance. When these two elements align, even the smallest piece can feel valuable and intentional. The use of industrial remnants alongside natural wood scraps adds contrast and depth, creating a contemporary aesthetic that feels both grounded and modern. This hybrid look resonates strongly with today's buyers, who often seek warmth without excess and originality without clutter. Another strength of small-scale upcycled decor lies in its storytelling power. Every piece begins as something overlooked or discarded, and that narrative becomes part of its appeal. When a maker understands and communicates this story through the object itself, without excessive explanation, the decor gains emotional weight. A simple item made from salvaged materials can represent resourcefulness, creativity, and respect for the environment. Buyers are increasingly drawn to objects that align with their values, and micro-profit projects make these values tangible. They allow customers to participate in sustainable practices through everyday purchases, reinforcing a sense of mindful consumption. From a business perspective, micro-profit projects offer flexibility and resilience. Because the scale is small, makers can experiment, adapt, and refine quickly without significant financial risk. If a particular design sells well, it can be repeated with minor variations. If it doesn't, the materials can often be reused or reimagined into something else. This fluidity reduces waste and encourages continuous learning. Over time, patterns emerge, revealing which styles, finishes, and forms consistently perform best. These insights help shape a focused product line that balances creativity with profitability, allowing the workshop to function efficiently without becoming monotonous. The speed at which these projects move from concept to sale also supports momentum, which is crucial for sustained motivation. Completing and selling work regularly creates a feedback loop of confidence and improvement. Each finished piece sharpens skills, improves workflow, and deepens understanding of materials. This ongoing refinement makes the process more intuitive, enabling makers to respond quickly to new salvaged finds or market opportunities. Rather than waiting weeks or months to see results, micro-profit decor offers immediate validation, reinforcing the viability of upcycling as both a creative and economic pursuit. Ultimately, small-scale upcycled decor demonstrates that profitability does not require large workshops, expensive tools, or massive production runs. It thrives on attentiveness, adaptability, and respect for materials. By transforming discarded industrial components and wood scraps into quick-selling, thoughtfully designed pieces, makers unlock value where others see waste. These projects prove that sustainability and income generation are not opposing goals, but complementary ones, especially when guided by intentional design and efficient craftsmanship. In a world increasingly aware of environmental impact and personal expression, micro-profit upcycled decor stands as a powerful example of how small actions and small objects can create meaningful economic and creative momentum, turning salvaged fragments into steady opportunity and lasting appeal. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.